Yeah, welcome everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, I want to show you how you can withdraw your Marina coin. Now, just watch this video to the end, and you will know how to withdraw your Marina coin. Thank you for coming to this channel, and I actually hope that the channel has been a source of impact to you. Now, open your Marina protocol app. First of all, you need to update it. It has to be an updated app. So you update it, and once you have updated it, you click on it. Now sorry, please. Sometimes back we were asked to um, connect our wallet. We're asked to connect our wallet. Now, what we're doing is to convert our bay. We're converting and withdrawing our bay. So that is what we are doing. That is what we are doing. So let it open. Now it has opened. Now it has opened. Now what you will do, just follow me, watch the video to the end. Now click on this particular place, this wallet. Now I'll click on the wallet. Now I've connected my wallet already. But if you have not connected to your wallet, this is where you're going to see it. You're going to see it at this particular place. Connect. You're going to click and connect your wallet. So you're going to click and connect. You're going to click and connect the wallet. Yes. So now see how it is now. I have 0.0021 BNB, and then you are seeing the claim and staking. You see it now. Look at what they said. What Marina Protocol is saying. Before I show you this, look at what this is. It. You see. This is the announcement. December 26, 2025, 8 a.m. All claimable amounts are determined based on periodic snapshot data. Now, claimable amount 30% of your PB snapshot December 26, 2025, 5 a.m. That's today. And then remaining 70% will be stake automatically for 1 year. Now we have also discount engagement season 1 reward will be released, and also um the steps on how to go about it. Now let's continue. So you click on claim and stake. Click on claim and stake. Now look at it, guys. You see claim and you see stake. You see stake, no stake. It means I have not stake. Now I'm converting. Now look at it, click on convert. When you click on convert, you see points to token. Points to token. And what is the asset? B. The asset is what? Is B. Look at it. The fee that they're going to remove for me is 2.347 PB. Now I'm requesting for 23.474 B. That is it. So now I'm going to click on confirm. I'm going to click on confirm, and then I'll click on we have stake, we have convert a loan. Now I'll click on convert a loan. Now I'll put my password. I'll put my password. So I've put my password. Now you see I click on convert a loan. Look at it. So I've requested for 21 PB. I've requested for 21 PB. Now I'll click on close. I'll click on close. You see it's showing pending. It's showing pending. Now they are yet to send it. Now automatically, Look at it, automatically 54.773 has been staked for me automatically. Before, it was showing that I have not staked anything, but automatically, according to what they have said, automatically 54.773 has been staked. Now, why am I saying we should withdraw? Why am I advising people to withdraw? Because definitely, even though they are staking 70% and withdrawing about 30%, but price might drop. So at least you should be able to take advantage and withdraw something and make some profit. Now, I use Meta Trader, Metamask. Sorry, I use Metamask actually for my withdrawal. I use Metamask. So look at it is this PB. Look at it here. It is this P particular one. This PB here that we are actually withdrawing. Now, I use my Metamask. I use my Metamask. I don't know if Metamask will open with recording, but I use my Metamask. I use my Metamask in order for me to connect it. I will advise us all to use Metamask. Like this is my Metamask now. This is my Metamask. You get it? This is my Metamask. I've already added this PB already. I've already added it already. Now the current price of PB, is 0.02. That's the current price. Now with 21, let's see what I will get with 21. And that is the reason why they are actually 21. You see, it will not make more sense. You see, um 21 times, um 21 times 0 point, what is that, 0.02. Yes, 21 times 0 point, is this the current price? Am I sure? Let me watch please. That was I'm trying to calculate so that you will see what it is. Why? Because the price has gone down with 9%. So you should not expect much from it now. You get it? You should not expect much from it until when the price would start increasing. When the price starts increasing, that's when you are going to enjoy it. But for now, the price is very low. So you might not even enjoy it because the price has gone down. The price has gone down. The price has gone down. Okay, it has now dropped. Look at it. It has now dropped. It has now dropped. You see it? It has now dropped 21. This thing 21. Look at it. It has now dropped 21, and it's giving me about $0.4. You see it 21B. You see it has now dropped. Now, if you go back to the app, if you go back to the app, you discover that it will show that it has been successful now. So it's not up to $1. Now you might say, this, that, but coins will definitely go up. Coins will definitely go up. So I don't intend to make this video so long. Thank you for watching this video. Let me just quickly show you from the Marina app so that you will see it. You see it from the Marina app. So you go to the wallet top right corner, and then um um the claim. So we have, okay, the staking is there already. 15. Okay, it's not showing a record, but we all know that I have received my pay. I have received my PPA. It has the withdrawal showed in my MetaMask. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video interesting, and impactful. Do well to subscribe to this channel, turn up the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video such as this, and don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. Everyone, you can go ahead, stake your bay, or um now the staking is for 1 year. Please take note, the staking for 1 year is either you stake it or you withdraw it. Now this is just what I withdraw my 21B, and it's giving me 0.4 dollars. You see it, look at it here, 21B. Look at the price of the 21B, because this is the price of the B right now. So if peradventure the price is turned back to its normal, then we are good to go. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel for more information.